In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand a table in Notion. If you've ever felt like the content in your table looks a bit cramped or your text is getting cut off, adjusting the column width is a quick way to make everything easier to read. The nice thing is, this doesn't require any complicated menus or settings. It all happens directly on the table itself. First, open the page in Notion that contains the table you want to adjust. Make sure you can clearly see the header row, which is the very top row of your table where each column has its name, like task, status, or date. We'll be working from that header row, because that's where you can control the width of each column. Move your mouse up to the top of the table and slowly hover over the border between two column headers. This is the vertical line that separates one column name from the next. As you move over that border, you should notice your cursor change, usually into a double-sided horizontal arrow. That change in the cursor is your visual cue that Notion has detected the column edge and is ready to let you resize it. Once your cursor has changed, click and hold down your mouse button on that border. While holding the click, drag your mouse to the left or to the right. Dragging to the right will expand the column, giving it more space, which is useful if you have longer text or larger content. Dragging to the left will shrink the column, which can help keep your table compact if you don't need as much room for that particular field. As you drag, you'll see the column adjust in real time. Take a moment to watch how the text inside responds. You might see long entries go from being cut off or wrapped tightly to displaying more comfortably. Release the mouse button once the width looks right to you. If it doesn't feel perfect on the first try, you can repeat the process as many times as you like until the column looks just the way you want it. You can do this for any column in your table, and you can adjust multiple columns one after another to create a layout that fits your content. Over time, you'll get a feel for how wide different types of information need to be, and that's all there is to it. Hover over the column border at the top of the table, then click and drag left or right to resize and expand your Notion table columns.